right, congratulations on finishing section 7, Workspaces. I hope you enjoyed this section of the course. And in this video, we're going to run through a summary of what we learned throughout the entire course. So we talked about a variety of workspaces, literally, all of them. All panels, animation, color, default, effects, essential graphics, learn, libraries, minimal, motion tracking, paint, small screen, standard, text, undocked panels, how to reset to a saved layout, how to save changes to a workspace, how to save as a new workspace, and then how to edit workspaces, which we did in the previous video where we basically set up the top bar here to show these 6 workspaces. I was counting to make sure that was 6. For some reason, I thought it was 5. I'm like, wait a minute, maybe I'm telling them the wrong number. So that is a summary of what we learned in section 7. So I hope you enjoyed this section. If you have any questions or concerns about the workspaces, please let me know. Be happy to help you. And with that, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.